Guys, it is time for a new update here on the Bitcoin price because everything has changed within the last 24 hours. Yes, guys, I'm about to take actions on my $400,000 swing long position because the price, as I told you yesterday and showed you in my yesterday's video, didn't manage to break out of the falling broadening wedge. Is this now already the sign that the bears are in control again? Guys, let's take a look at the bigger and also the smaller time frames in today's video to find out where the Bitcoin price is going to go next and what we should do with our trades to profit off this market volatility as best as we can before a next bull run with Bitcoin is to be expected. And we want to have as much crypto and Bitcoins accumulated as possible for that big run up then when it occurs in the upcoming months. Guys, first of all, I wanted to thank you for all of the amazing support with my yesterday's video. I mean, 1,000 likes, guys. I mean, I'm the 1,000 likes. It only had 999, but I'm the 1,000 liker. Thank you very much, guys, for 1,000 likes on my last video. It's absolutely mind-blowing. 6,000 views and 1,000 likes. It's a crazy ratio. Thank you very much for that. Thank you very much for every single one of you guys that leaves a comment down below, that pushes the YouTube algorithm to make sure that the information in my videos is seen by the most amount of people as possible. But now, guys, I would say, let's just jump right into the charts. That's why you are all here and watching every single video of mine. So guys, let's first of all take a look at the daily. Nothing has changed. I already told you in my yesterday's video that we are forming a potential W pattern. This is for sure far from being confirmed or here being able to be traded, right? We are still right now in the decision phase if this can even turn into an M pattern. So let's jump into the smaller time frames since we don't have anything conclusive on the bigger time frames yet. Also on the weekly, guys, nothing really going on here. 11-year support was broken to the downside. As we know, in Bitcoin's history, we only spent at maximum a few weeks below this 11-year resistance, and we are now already 3 weeks below it. So we would expect a reversal within the next week if it should be the case that this is the bottom. If this is the bottom, I'm expecting a reversal next week. If it's not happening, I'm relatively sure that this is not the bottom, and we might even fall down to $10,000. And now let me explain to you why this is. On the smaller time frames, we are actually about to close another weekly candle. As you just saw, it's only one daily candle left and we are going to close our weekly candle. The best scenario is that we are bouncing here tonight, right? Bitcoin is heading up. We are having a bullish daily candle close. We have a weekly candle close that completely, looking here at the weekly candles, got bought up again back to the $21,000 level. So definitely then a bullish setup here on the weekly time frame. And this is why I'm actually saying, guys, if we are seeing a reversal and if this is the bottom, it will be confirmed next week already. Because if it's not, guys, let's be very, very clear here. If it's not, first of all, we have to break out today or tomorrow out of this falling broadening wedge here on the 4-hourly time frame. If this doesn't happen, it's impossible that the daily candle tomorrow or today would close anyway bullish, and it would also be impossible then that the weekly candle closes bullish. So we need to break out here to the upside as soon as possible. Yesterday, it looked good for the bulls. But today, things have changed a little bit because over the night, the bears and the bulls actually formed a new chart pattern. And it is within our falling broadening wedge. The falling broadening wedge hasn't broken out yet. And it is a descending triangle, guys. And a descending triangle is definitely a very, very bearish continuation pattern. And if we are breaking below the $19,000 level within 1 hourly candle close, I expect prices from sub $19,000. I expect prices from the lower $18,000 range to actually be reached once again. The only problem is that this would not only be a short-term dump, because if we're breaking here to the downside, yes, we have a bearish breakout target, the bears are in control, $18,000 is highly likely. The only problem is that if this happens, it makes it impossible for our two right now only reversal chances to happen. Because first of all, this W pattern would get completely destroyed if with today's or tomorrow's daily candle we would be dumping to the $18,000 level. This W pattern would be destroyed. We would have a lower low looking at the candle closes. So we would be definitely looking here at somewhat of maybe as a bottoming formation, maybe somewhat of a falling wedge, for example, that could easily lead us all the way down to the $10,000 level for a very short amount of time, right? So we need to be very, very careful within this weekend. This is actually one of the most important days, today and tomorrow, for the future price development in the next couple of months. So guys, make sure to leave a comment, make sure to smash up a like, make sure to share this video maybe, because it's actually a few very, very simple chart patterns that are forming right now that will have a huge impact on the future price development on Bitcoin, because we are right now in the decision making of the market being split. Some people saying this is the bottom, other people calling for a new all-time high very soon, other people calling for a long bear market. The market is completely split. Nobody has the same opinion, and that's why we need to look at the charts. We need to be careful, and we need to find out who is winning market control. And this always happens step by step, from the small all the way to the top, or to the big time frames. So if we're now seeing a bearish chart pattern on the smallest time frames, like the 1 hourly, this is definitely a sign to be concerned, because if it breaks out, we would for sure get a bearish 4 hourly candle close afterwards. We would get a bearish daily candle close today below our very important $19,000 low level that we have so far. It would result in a bearish weekly candle close, since the daily time frame is then bearish, and on our daily time frame we would dump even lower. So the weekly candle would close bearish as well. So guys, let's be careful. Let's keep an eye on the charts. I'm ready to scale up my long positions, and I'm ready to open up a new long trade as soon as we break to the upside out of this falling broadening wedge. But as long as this hasn't happened, I'm going to be careful. I'm going to wait on the sideline, and I won't rush into any trades, keeping in mind that with a single breakout out of this chart pattern here on the 1 hourly time frame, our daily support and also our potential bullish weekly candle could be turned bearish once again. Guys, if you enjoyed the content, make sure to smash now a like up on today's video. I would really appreciate it if we could reach 1,000 likes again. It would be absolutely amazing. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell, leave a comment down below, push this video into the YouTube algorithm, and then we are actually going to see us in tomorrow's video again. By the way, guys, if you want to have your portfolio doubled every single week, if you want to have a chance to get your portfolio doubled every single week, and also if you want to get up to $4,500 in free deposit bonuses, if you want to start trading and using the information from my videos in your trading strategy, for sure keep in mind I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just sharing what I am doing and some people adapting it into their trading strategy. But just make sure to sign up with my phemex affiliate link that you find at the very top of the description. You are supporting me by that. Like I said, 5 people using my affiliate link get their portfolio doubled every single week. And on top of that, if you are a first-time depositor on phemex, you actually can get up to $4,500. You're supporting me and you don't have any additional cost. And it's just the best exchange to trade cryptocurrency right actively with Bitcoin on leverage or also altcoins. Guys, see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for supporting. Bye.